Unit 11. Winners. Listening 11. Read and listen.
The Oscars. The Academy Awards, or Oscars, are prizes for talented actors, writers and directors for their work in films. The awards are given every year at a special ceremony in Hollywood. The first Academy Awards ceremony was on May 16, 1929, at the Hollywood Roosevelt Hotel. Tickets to the ceremony cost $5, and there were fewer than 250 people in the audience. The ceremony only lasted for 15 minutes, and it was not on television or radio. In 1953, the awards were shown on TV for the first time. Now, the ceremonies on television last for 4 hours, and millions of people around the world watch to see their favourite movie stars receive awards. The audience is made up of hundreds of glamorous actors, but only a few will be winners. Every Academy Award winner is given a golden statue. The statues are called Oscars. They are made of metal and are in the shape of a knight who is standing on a round film can and holding a sword. 50 new Oscar statues are made every year. There are different stories about how the Oscar got its name. Some people say that the director of the Academy gave the statue its name in 1931 because she said that it looked like her cousin Oscar. However, actress Bette Davis said that she called her award Oscar as a joke because her husband's name was Oscar. Nobody knows which story is correct. But in 1939, the Academy named the award the Oscar. Most Oscar winners have been adults, but a few have been children. In the past, the Academy gave out baby Oscars to child actors, which were half the size of the normal statues. Now, child actors compete against adults for Best Actor or Actress awards. In 1993, Anna Paquin won an Oscar for her acting in a film called The Piano. She was 11. The person who has won the most Oscars was Walt Disney, who won 26 altogether for his films. And the film with the most Oscars was Titanic. In 1997, it won 11 Oscars. Today, the Academy Awards ceremony is very popular. We look forward to the ceremony each year, and we want to know who will win. We love to watch talented actors and directors when they win their prizes and say thank you to the audience. And everyone hopes their favourite film will get an Oscar.